Hello, I'm Amy Oswald, Vision Rehabilitation Specialist with North Dakota Vision Services School for the Blind. Today I am going to show you how to safely and effectively tweeze your eyebrows or other facial hair. The things that you will need are a tweezer. I like these slant tip tweezers because I think they give you more surface area than a pointed edge one. The other thing that you will need is Scotch tape, and you'll see why in a minute. I know that seems kind of strange. And a little bit of hairspray. The very first thing that we're going to do is spray a little bit of hairspray on our index finger. Okay. And I'm going to go and put that on the hairs that I want to remove, and I'm going to go against the grain. So what that means is I'm starting on the outer edge of my eyebrow and I am going towards my nose. And now we're going to let that dry for a minute. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is once the hairspray has dried, we're going to actually put a little bit of Scotch tape over the part of the eyebrow that we do not want to tweeze. This will prevent you from tweezing through your arch in about the center of your eye, so that you don't end up with having 4 eyebrows. I've done that many times. So I just take a little Scotch tape, several pieces. You want to keep your, if you have longer hair or like me, short hair with bangs, you want to pull it back in a clip or a headband. Okay, and then the very last piece. Now, what I typically do is I will go and have my eyebrows shaped every 6 months or so. So have somebody professionally do it, just to make sure that you don't end up with kind of like a crazy arch on one side and then not on the other. So that's just what I do. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I kind of think about my tweezer like a cane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it open and I'm going to slide it along my skin till I feel a hair. And I'm going to pinch it and pull it out. Okay, and I use the index finger of my other hand to kind of guide where that tip is going. Okay, so I pull it in. Pinch it and pull it out. Okay, and you just keep going through the area until you're feeling like you're smooth. Okay, and then you take your Scotch tape off and it won't pull out your eyebrow hairs because it is just Scotch tape. Ladies, sometimes we have chin hair. I mean, it's a fact. And so when you're doing like chin hair or on your lower neck, you would use the same technique. Okay, so you want to use the hairspray on your finger, go against the grain so that you're lifting up that hair. It'll make the hair a little bit thicker, a little more solid, so you'll be able to feel it so much better. And then again, use your index finger and go find the hair. Use your tweezer as a cane and then pull it out. If you have any questions on this, you can contact me at Brunner, ABRUNNER @nd.gov. Or you can call the School for the Blind directly at 701-795-2700.